my back. That's silly. Another one.
Yeah.
Is he doing little hiccups?
He's hiccuping.
Oh, no.
Does it tickle? Don't wiggle so much. Every time you wiggle, Chance wiggles, okay? Does it tickle when he burps, when he hiccups on you? Does it tickle you?
Yeah.
Okay, are you done?
No.
You want to keep him a little longer? Okay. I'm just making sure.
When Ellie.
Not over his face.
Not over his face.
Right there. Right there.
You hold him up there by you.
Careful with his face.
What? Just in my arm.
We better move him. He's getting a little too low on you.
I'm so low.
He's got his arms wrapped around.